Yes, you deserve better. I know it and you know it. But for some reason, it's just not happening the way you want it to. Hi, my name is Tiger Toledo. I am the 3-time best-selling author for the book Rise of the Smart Notary, right here on Amazon that you can get. But I'm not here to talk about my book. I want to talk to you a little bit about, you're not achieving the lifestyle that you want. And I was there. I really was there. And it was hard for me because I felt like I was spinning my wheels in the mud, right? And like I'm working, I'm hustling, I'm grinding, I'm doing all of these things, and I'm just not seeing the breakthrough that I was expecting. It wasn't until that I got a coach, and that coach was able to help me see the missing opportunities that I had in front of me. So I was literally standing in this acres of diamonds and didn't realize it. And that's why I wanted to present to you today the Power of Attorney Masterclass that I'm going to be doing. My notary agency is built off of power of attorneys. And I know it can be difficult for you to have some clarity. Maybe you're not running enough appointments, or maybe you're just running yourself ragged and doing too many appointments and becoming, as my friend Ken Collier would call it, a public success, but a private failure. Yes, you deserve better. I know. I know it, and you know it. You deserve better. So I implore you to look into the Power of Attorney Masterclass that I will be doing March 8th at 6 p.m. Central Time. If this looks like something that you want to take a part of, I would love to have you there. I will personally show you everything that I have done successfully, and I'll share some of the bad things that I've done as well, so you can avoid those pitfalls. Sign up today if you're really interested. I'd love to have you.